Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe which you guys can make it for the festive season. So today I'm going to share this recipe for Eid guys. So I'm making this Seviyan kheer. So for this dish what you need, here is the Seviyan packet and take a pan. I added some ghee and in this I'm going to roast half a cup of Seviyan. So I'm going to add half a cup of Seviyan into this and I'm going to roast this one until it becomes brown. So here I am frying this Seviyan and take a non-stick pan guys or bowl. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add half a cup of milk into this. So equal guys, half a cup of Seviyan, half a cup of milk and half a cup of sugar. And if you want, you can add little bit of water. So I'm going to add little bit of water. I'm going to add only little bit of water because we have to cook this Seviyan in the milk only guys. It gives a nice taste if you are cooking in the milk. And this is done guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch on the flame. And I'm going to cook this milk until it becomes a little bit thick. Hey guys, my milk it started reducing and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this Seviyan into this milk. I added the Seviyan into this milk and I'm going to cook along with the milk until the Seviyan is nicely cooked. Then after that we have to add sugar guys. So always use the non-stick vessel so that it won't stick. So yeah. Hey guys, can you see? It started becoming thick and the Seviyan is nicely cooked. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add sugar into this. So I'm adding little bit, half a cup of sugar and a little bit more. And you have to mix this one very well. So in the same kadai, same pan, I added little bit of butter and I'm going to add, I'm going to fry all the dry nuts like cashews, kismis, that is raisins. So yeah, you can add pista also guys, but I'm going to add only kaju and kismis. And in this, I'm going to add fresh elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder. It gives a nice aroma guys. So can you see? So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of freshly grounded elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder, and you have to mix. And you can add saffron too guys. And in this I'm going to add some cashews, kismis. So you have to fry these things. And I'm going to add this one into this kheer. Hey guys, so in this kheer I'm going to add this cream, fresh cream. That is up to your choice. If you want you can add, or if you want to skip you can. So it gives the nice richness in the kheer guys. It's a festive season. So yeah, and you have to mix. And we should not supposed to cook guys. I switched off the flame and I'm going to add this one into this kheer. Hey guys, My kheer is perfectly cooked. Wow. I'm so happy, guys. And we will have this one for our dinner. So, yeah, as a dessert. So, yeah. So, this is the quick video of how to make Seviyan kheer for Eid festival. And I wish all my viewers a happy Eid and enjoy this festival, guys. So, see you soon. Bye. In my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.